it's Niamh here in Tully Nurseries, and it's Hebe time again. As you know, we're well known for Hebes. It's the backbone of our business. We've been producing our own varieties for many years now, and the strongest time for selling Hebes is early spring and coming into the autumn. And at the moment we've an amazing selection, so loads of benefits, striking foliage, and they flower for a long period of time. And right now there's a lovely bee landing on the flowers of strawberries and cream. This is, would you believe, is a really good, our best-selling plant to landscapers. So if you have landscape customers coming into your garden centre, this creates a lovely mound shape, and it's easy maintenance. It really is lovely with the dark tips then, and they get even darker in the winter months. Jewel of the Nile you all love. It's really difficult to grow in a nursery environment, believe it or not, but look how striking the foliage is. Black Beauty, Elliptica variegata. Green Globe we do this time of the year because it tends to get brown at other periods, but these are lovely and fresh, so now is the time to buy these. So very neutral colour for the garden. And then of course we have rhubarb and custard, looking lovely and fresh. So you really are spoiled for choice. We've a great Hebe selection at the moment. So stock up your benches and they'll fly out of the garden centre for you. Thanks.